For f of x equals absolute value of x minus 1, then plus 2, what is the new function g of x resulting from a horizontal reflection? Well, a horizontal reflection means you're changing the signs of the inputs. So g of x equals f of negative x. So in terms of this absolute value function, g of x equals absolute value of negative x minus 1, then plus 2. You're just changing the sign of the inputs. That's how you do a horizontal reflection. So let's graph and verify. So f of x is the absolute value of x minus 1 and then plus 2. And we're saying g of x is the absolute value of negative x minus 1 then plus 2. There's f of x, and there's g of x. Now horizontal reflection is through the y-axis, and that means the y-intercept should be the same for both f of x and g of x, and it is the case. And if you look carefully here, imagine this y-axis as a line of reflection, and the blue function does reflect to the red, or f of x does reflect to g of x. So our g of x function is correct right here. This function caused that horizontal reflection for f of x.